All right, now for the exterior of this little room, we're gonna learn how to draw some of the wall framing for our build. Chances are, if you peel off the paneling on your wall called sheetrock, you'd see some framing members, like the picture here shows. Then you have one that runs along the bottom of the wall, a couple of top ones, some vertical ones. This is called a bottom plate. Then goes a top plate, and above it's called a cap plate. So bottom plate, top plate, cap plate. The vertical ones that run from plate to plate are called wall studs. Wall studs, wall studs. Those that kind of are on the left and the right side of a window or a door are called trimmer studs. And above the door or window, we're calling those the headers. Here's a window header, here's a door header. So we're going to build this bottom plate and the top plate. The cap plate we're going to leave off for now. So top plate and bottom plate. We're going to build ours with a 2x6 construction, meaning it's a 2-inch by 6-inch piece of lumber. But that's before it goes to the drawing process at, say, a sawmill. Will it work? We'll find out. So I want to first fix here. See the bottom of my house, little divots here? I want to fix those. Can I? Think. Should be able to. Because what we want to do is we want to offset the bottom of this house room. If I go to the offset tool, click and drag. Oops, didn't work. Try it again. Click and drag out. See my little divots I have there by the door in my closet? That might haunt me. So if you have that too in yours, you gotta fix those. How we're gonna fix them is we're gonna draw a line all the way. Can't. Wait. There it is. Green. Think. I'm just gonna leave that. That should be okay. So I'm gonna offset the surface. Click drag outward. A 2x6 isn't 2x6. But the sawmill it is. Time it gets dried and cleaned up, it's down to 1.5 inches by 5 1/4. 5.25. That's going to be the width of our bottom plate. It's going to be 1.5 inches tall. So offset, nope, push pull up 1.5 inches. There's our bottom plate. Now for our top plate, we need to bring that ceiling back. Got rid of it a few steps ago. Let's bring it back in. I'm going to draw a line from corner of my room to corner of my room. Ceiling comes back. Line gets removed. If I leave that line, what happens? Watch here. I'm going to offset. I have 2 chunks. That's not going to work. You remove this. Now watch. That same click, drag, drop. That same 5 1/4, 5.25. And I need to bring this chunk down that 1.5 inches. Oops, hold on. I'll do that again. Shoot. Redo. Got it. 1.5. So there we have the top plate and bottom plate. And it kind of mimics the picture we saw earlier. Having a top plate, bottom plate, right there. Bottom plate, top plate. Bottom plate, top plate. And 5 1/4 by 1.5. 5 1/4 by 1.5. And then the ceiling can be removed.